copper tree bark into a pen. Good morning and welcome back to my workshop. And in today's video I'm going to use copper tree bark, put it in a resin casting and make a pen from it. So the resin casting is already done. I've used a blue tint in the resin with glitter. The next thing I'm going to do is mark out these pen blanks, drill them out. I'm using two slimline pens, I'm making two pens. Drill them out, do the gluing, and then once the glue is cured, put them on the lathe and start turning the pens. I've just marked out the pen blank. I'm going to cut them to length and then get them ready for gluing. Good morning, welcome back. The glue's all set and it's time for doing the brass seating before I put it into the mandrel. Let me just do the trimming and get that all done. Okay, so it's trimmed. Time to get it into the mandrel. Well, that's coming along nicely. It's quite a different pen. Okay, let me carry on sanding. It's time for the CA glue, and today I'm trying out the paper fold tower for the CA glue for the first time. So let's put it to the test and see how it works. First of all, safety equipment. I must say, this tower works so well. There's two left, and that is for the polishing side of it. Very happy, so much quicker. And now for the final buff sand and then the polishing. Let's get right into it. Look at that, nice and shiny. I'm very happy with that. So the next thing to do, remove it from the mandrel, clean up the edges, and then it's assembly time. Can't wait to see the final finish. And I'll show you now what pen kit I've chosen. It's a Streamline pen, but it's a copper Streamline pen. Very fitting for a copper tree bark. Okay, so let's assemble. The edges are clean. This is the copper pen kit. Okay, so let's start assembling. And the final assembly. Love that. Wow, it turned out very nice. I must admit, working with the copper tree bark, even though it was stabilized, not the easiest material to work with. But there's the end result. I'm very happy with it. I'm going to bring you in a bit closer, give you a closer look, take a few photos. Copper bark from a copper tree with a copper Streamline pen. Here's the copper bark, casted in resin. Those are the pen blanks with the brass tube already glued in. These are just offcuts. Very happy with that end result. Well, thanks for watching. If you enjoy content like this, consider subscribing. And all your pen turners out there, enjoy your lathes and your pen turning. And until the next time, lekker lekker!